Are you a freelancer, agency owner, or side hustler who wants to land higher paying clients? Then listen up. Today, I'm covering an exciting AI-powered platform that can completely revolutionize your client acquisition workflow and make you more money. Seriously, this new agency-in-a-box workflow can be absolutely game-changing. After all, it helps you send professional proposals, legal contracts, and actually pitch your clients like you're running a 100-person team, even if you're flying solo. If you want to professionalize your business and land high-ticket clients who actually buy your offers, this is definitely the video for you. You don't want to skip this one. Let's get to it. And so guys, let me start out by saying that I've been running a one-person business ever since 2017, and I have tried so many different side hustles and different business models over the years. I mean, I've been a freelance writer for years for companies like Forbes. I've run a Facebook and Google ads agency with a friend back in college. And these days, I'm constantly pitching companies and brands to partner with here on this very YouTube channel. And guys, if there's one thing I've learned over 8+ years of doing this, it's that presentation truly matters. After all, a lot of side hustlers and business owners out there don't fail because they don't have knowledge and they don't have work ethic or skills. Instead, a lot of them fail because their packaging and positioning don't look the part. They pitch clients they want to work with, but their emails and proposals never even get read or taken seriously because it all looks amateurish. And trust me guys, I've been in this exact position and it honestly sucks. But now thanks to AI, you don't have to look like a one-person business when you pitch your next client. Instead, you can look like a robust agency, charge way higher prices, and actually land the dream clients you want to work with. And so the AI-powered tool I'm using to do this and what I'm going to show you guys in today's video is an exciting platform called Venngage. This is a powerful AI-powered design tool that can honestly help you pitch and present to brands like a pro. But enough of me yapping, let me hop into my Venngage account. I'll show you guys exactly how this works, and I'll show my new client pitching workflow that you guys can copy as well to potentially land some higher paying clients. And so guys, to kick things off, I'm going to hop into my Venngage account and we're going to start out with the AI proposal generator because honestly, this thing is a game changer for freelancers, agency owners, and side hustlers alike. And again, sending proposals to people might sound super simple, but this basic step is where so many people lose out on so much business and so much revenue because they're sending proposals that look shoddy, they look amateurish, and they frankly never even get read or taken seriously. That's changing thanks to Venngage, and getting started is so simple. You just need to head to the AI proposal generator and type in a prompt for the proposal you want to create. And I'll show you guys a real life example here just to show you how powerful Venngage is. So let's say that I'm running an advertising agency, SEO agency, or some kind of digital marketing service. I'll enter the prompt, create a premium digital marketing proposal for a local plumbing company. Include a 3-month growth strategy, multi-channel approach, and a clear ROI-focused pricing table. Make the tone authoritative and persuasive. Once I click generate, Venngage creates the new proposal and opens it up in its AI-powered editing interface. This just took a minute, and guys, this is really where some of the magic starts to happen. For starters, Venngage creates a proposal that looks pretty sleek out of the box. And in this example, it includes a nice executive summary, details about a 3-month marketing and scaling plan, a breakdown of costs and ROI expectations, and a clear CTA for the local plumbing company to schedule a kickoff call and begin working together. Now again, this just took a couple of minutes and some basic prompting, and it honestly looks pretty decent just out of the box, like I said. But of course, you can edit the proposal to match your brand's look and feel. And the fastest way to do this is to use Venngage's brand kit to change the colors, fonts, and overall styling of your proposal. For this one, I'm going to go for this gold, blue, and black combination, which has more of a consulting feel to it. You can one-click apply this new design to every page, and it's also very easy to edit your document's fonts as well, so you have a more premium look and feel. Again, this just takes a minute, and then from there you have even more options to start customizing this proposal so it looks exactly how you want. All you need to do is click on the elements you want to edit. Venngage then makes it easy to edit text, images, and positioning so it looks exactly how you want. You can also generate icons, images, and text with Venngage's AI tools if you need help. And I also like that Venngage lets you embed elements like QR codes, forms, videos, charts, and other assets very easily. And again, this might seem simple, but back in the day, if you wanted to build this kind of proposal yourself, it would either take you days or you'd have to hire a freelancer to do it for you, which again would cost your business money. And trust me, this is how I used to pitch brands back in the day. When I was a freelance writer, I was doing SEO work, or when I had my advertising agency, I would spend so much time building proposals and pitch decks and sending them out to people. I would never hear back, and so honestly, it was a very expensive use of time in that perspective, which you can now do super quickly with a tool like Venngage. But moving on to the second Venngage feature I absolutely love and really wanted to highlight is kind of its legal side of things, the legal shield, and how you can get protection, especially as a freelancer or agency owner. And so at this stage, you have proposals that you've created with Venngage, you're ready to start pitching your clients, and you're probably going to start emailing a bunch of cold or warm leads with your proposals to try and get some new business. This is again why it's so important to use tools like Venngage and AI in your workflow, because otherwise you'll be spending hours every single week creating proposals instead of doing higher leverage activities for your business. But let's say one of your intro calls with the lead goes well, they want to actually book a demo with you, or they actually want to get the ball rolling and they're ready to sign a contract and want to work with you. What comes next? Well, guys, this is honestly where you need a legally binding contract in place. After all, professional agencies and freelancers build in legal protection into their deliverables. This helps protect you from getting burned by bad clients, and it also makes your clients feel safe because it feels like they're actually dealing with professionals who have done this kind of thing before. And thankfully, when it comes to creating legal contracts, Venngage also streamlines this entire process. All you need to do is head over to Venngage's AI contract generator to get started. And this tool actually lets you build legally binding contracts that match your unique business needs in seconds. So you don't have to pay a lawyer thousands of dollars to do this for you anymore. And just like the proposal generator, it's super simple to use, so let me show you guys how it works. For example, I'll enter the prompt, create a service agreement for a digital marketing retainer for a local plumbing company. Include scope of work, IP ownership, 50% upfront deposit, and a 30-day notice termination clause. Have the tone be professional and secure. And so again, this is super easy to do. It just takes a minute. And once I hit generate, Venngage brings me to its AI designer where I can view and edit the new legal contract. What's cool is that you can actually see it working in real time, drafting the legal documents you need to land your client and feel secure that you're going to get paid. Again, this used to take a lot of manual work, or you need to hire a lawyer to make these kinds of documents for you that you then use for your business, which again costs time and money. Instead, now you can do this in minutes with Venngage and you don't have to spend a fortune. And trust me guys, you do need contracts, especially if you're a freelancer or agency owner. I've been burned in the past. I've done work for projects, I've done work for brands and not gotten paid. And in the past, I never used to use contracts, so I was kind of out of luck when I got burned, and I've since learned my lesson. Like the AI proposal generator, you can also edit this document yourself in Venngage's editor, which is really nice. And you can also ask its AI designer to add more pages for specific project milestones, adjust the branding, or make other changes that you want. Again, this might seem like an inconsequential step, but trust me guys, you need contracts when you move forward with clients, so I definitely love this Venngage feature and suggest you guys use it as well. But anyways guys, now you know how to create proposals, pitch clients, and also have legally binding contracts to protect yourself when you're pitching clients by using Venngage. And honestly, these two features alone can save you so much time and money every single month and really help you streamline your entire client acquisition workflow. But I want to highlight a few more nifty tools and tricks you can use with Venngage to streamline this process even further. And the first is Venngage's AI Executive Summary Generator. This lets you turn reports, business plans, PDFs, and other content into super concise one-page executive summaries. And so if you're pitching C-level executives, managers, or you're even just dealing with internal communication amongst your team, this feature is so helpful because you don't want to be sending people 30-page reports and expect them to read it. You want to send them executive summaries that they're actually going to look through. Venngage's AI designer also has a ton more functionality I haven't even shown you guys yet. For example, Venngage has an AI writing assistant, so you can easily get Venngage to rewrite sections of your proposals to match exactly what you want. Like I'll show you guys here, I can tell it to adjust a pricing page or deliverables to sound more professional and justify more premium pricing for potential clients. As you guys can see, this only takes a couple of seconds and Venngage can completely rewrite and tweak sections to match exactly what you're going for. Like I mentioned, you can also create new graphics and icons really easily. And this helps you brand your documents more consistently, which again, all adds to a more professional presentation. I'll show you guys right now how easy it is to generate icons. And again, this is a nice way to add a bit of flair or styling to your pitches and presentations to make them stand out. Now, once you're finally done with your documents, it's really easy to download them, preview them, or share them with your team and potential clients. Now, what's also nice is that Venngage lets you share your documents via link or email, but also as a QR code. And you can even embed your documents too, just by copying some simple code and pasting it to your website. On top of that, Venngage also has an accessibility tool that can scan all of your documents to make sure there aren't any sections that are difficult to read or have really small font or might be difficult for people to access. And again, guys, all of these little things and tiny features, they might seem small, but when you add them all up, they can truly make a difference. After all, high-ticket clients and brands care about presentation and packaging. So if you want to charge premium prices, you need to play the game and you have to have your presentation down to a science. But anyways, guys, in a matter of minutes, you can see how I just used Venngage to create a complete professional looking proposal for a local plumbing company, create a legally sound client contract, and even created a one-page executive summary of everything that I can share to my clients and with my internal team. Again, guys, this used to take days or weeks of work, or you'd have to hire a graphic designer or freelancer to do this for you. So I love that you can now do this in minutes by using a platform like Venngage. But this also brings me to my final point and how I kind of want to wrap up this video, which is the question, who should be using a tool like Venngage? And really, in my opinion, this is an absolute must-try for a couple of different people. First up, if you are running any kind of service-based agency where you're pitching clients regularly, I absolutely think you should try using Venngage. Similarly, if you're a freelancer who's pitching clients regularly, I also think Venngage can make a massive difference for your client acquisition workflow. And finally, if you're making pitch decks, slides, or presentations for internal company use, or just for your day job in general, then something like Venngage is absolutely worth trying. This really saves so much time and money versus doing all of this yourself. And I also like that Venngage has a free plan, so you can sign up, you can try it out, you can play around to see what it could do for your business. Now, this free plan lets you create 5 designs and shows you some of the power this AI platform has. You can also upgrade to the premium plan for only $19 per month to unlock unlimited designs and way more functionality, or the business plan for $49 per month to unlock more Venngage AI tools. And in terms of paying for a platform like Venngage, if it can help you land one more client per month or help you land a higher paying client than you normally get, it is absolutely worth paying for. Again, presentation really matters, especially in this day and age where everyone has a service that they want to sell. You need to find a way to stand out from the crowd. Now, I'll also be linking Venngage down below for you guys to check them out as well. And you can also use the code TOMBLAKE50 to enjoy 50% off your annual plan for Venngage Premium or the Venngage Business Plan while helping to support the channel. So thank you guys in advance. I'd also like to thank Venngage's team for sponsoring today's video. They've been really fun to chat with, and I truly think you guys will like using them, especially if you run an agency or you're a freelancer looking to land some clients. But yeah, if you have any questions about how to use Venngage or how it might be able to help you with your business, definitely let me know in the comments. I'd love to answer your questions, and I always love hearing from you guys. That really does it for this one, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.